Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Reverend Hartley Perrin or the Custos to Westmoreland say one zone for special operations ZOSO must go in a other part of the parish where crime are going bad. The court administration division said the Kingston and St. Andrew family court lock right now because none of them staff have coronavirus. Police find ganja weigh 930 pounds in a Old Harbour St. Catherine Sunday. 2 players and 1 official who did go left for the Reggae Boys for Peru yesterday test positive for COVID-19. Now for the full tour of them. Reverend Hartley Perrin or the Custos to Westmoreland say one zone for special operations ZOSO must go in a other part of the parish where crime are going bad. Prime Minister Andrew Holness put one ZOSO in a some part of Savamar where go stay for 60 days in the community them are Russia, Darling Street and Dexter Street. But Reverend Perrin say crime are going bad in a other area and the government must do something. The Custos say because the sugar industry mash up in a Westmoreland, this lead to enough crime and violence in the parish. The court administration division said the Kingston and St. Andrew family court lock right now because none of them staff have coronavirus. Because the court lock, them say all emergency case are go keep at the criminal division at the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Them a emergency case like a picnic for get money, man a beat up woman, and anything of to do with picnic were in a trouble with the law. Police find 930 pounds of ganja in a Old Harbour St. Catherine Sunday. According to the police report, around 4 p.m. one team of police did upon patrol in the community of Planters when them see one Toyota Probox park on dirt road. When the police reach near, one man run out of the car and get away. The police said them search the car and find 93 parcel of ganja were in a one garbage bag. Superintendent Upton Nicholson, or the division commander for St. Catherine South, said the ganja did go send go 80 as part of the guns for drugs trade. The police said them asked everybody help to find 29 years old Natasha Robinson, who come from Wilmot Crescent in a Jerusalem, Kingston 20. She brown and she not too fat and she a 5 foot 8 inch long. According to the police report, around 8 a.m. people are see Robinson at one school in the parish. Nobody no see her hear from her after that and nobody no know what she did happen. The Donny Park police asked anybody who know which part Natasha Robinson there for call them pan 876-933-4280 119 are the nearest police station. Gunman shot 3 smaddy and one of them dead pan Plum Lane off Whitehall Avenue in a St. Andrew Sunday. According to the police report, around 5 p.m. 42 years old Shamari Powell and some other people did turn up on the roadside when gunman shot them up. Them get rushed to hospital where Mr. Powell dead. Now for sports. 2 players and 1 official who did a left for the Reggae Boys in Peru yesterday test positive for coronavirus. Them not have no symptoms and them yard now. The Reggae Boys are going to play one friendly match on January 20 against Peru in Lima. On top of that, the Reggae Boys are going to play Mexico on January 27 and Panama on January 30. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.